Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to take a screenshot on your Windows PC or laptop. Do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the little bell icon for notifications. Number 1. The print screen key. Set up the screenshot you're looking for and hit the print screen key. Then open your favorite image editor and hit Ctrl-V to paste the screenshot in. Edit and save from there. Number 2. Windows plus the print screen keys. Set up the screenshot you're looking for and hit the print screen key while holding down the Windows key. Navigate to Pictures/Screenshots and find the image saved there. Number 3. The Windows Shift-S key. Set up the screenshot you're looking for and hit the S key while holding down both the Shift and the Windows keys. The screen will darken and you will be presented with a crosshatch cursor. Hold the mouse key and drag that crosshatch cursor across the area you want to screenshot. Then let go. A Snip and Sketch window will appear. Click on that and you will be presented with a Snip and Sketch application containing your screenshot. From here you can draw, crop, and do lots of other things before saving. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel, and this has been 3 easy ways to take a screenshot on your Windows PC or laptop. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.